Hello everyone, I'm Blake and today I will answer the question. I will watch the short film about why camping is so important and answer the question in the video. The number one answer is but what could you see in the video? In the video, I saw people. I can see people, trees, campfires, and tents. The number two, the question is, what do you feel during and after watching the video? After watching the video, I feel that camping is important for us to survival. Number three, the question is, what do you think people are doing in the video? In the video, people are camping. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.